3rd January 2026. Welcome all friends to the Dhamma. Now, when you get more awareness by relax the whole body, it becomes space. Then you got awareness of space. Okay? Awareness of space is the access or the door open up to consciousness element. More space, more consciousness element wake up. Okay? We got not only 4 elements. If you only sit meditation with 4 elements, no space, no consciousness, you very serious meditation. Force your body, force your muscle, force your breathing. Then you got stuck with the 4 elements. And you sitting and you only awareness of only 4 elements, then you got pain, numb or tired. But if you got awareness of space, the 5th element, consciousness, the 6th element, is another plane inside. Outside is a 4 element, inside is space and consciousness. Just go to space and conscious element, very easy, relax and smile. Okay? Then you do meditation from space and consciousness element. You feel your mind, more space, more consciousness, more space, more consciousness. More space and consciousness, you can see yourself clearly, everything. See 4 elements arising, disappearing, temperature, sweat, or breathing. In space, it's occupied everything. So, in the calmness, we go to space. But wake up in the calmness, we go to space and consciousness inside. Wake up. Wake up with consciousness, seeing in space, not seeing by eye. Seeing in space, you can see everything, all functioning in space. 4 elements functioning in space. Muscle movement functioning in space. Your blinking eye functioning in space. Your temperature, or warm or cool, functioning in space. For example, I look at you. I just do concentration only. I do concentration on him, on her. But what different? If I do concentration on him, on her, and awareness of space, because he and she and everyone sitting in space. So, awareness, mindfulness of all sitting in space, everybody functioning in space. When I can see everybody, and with awareness of space, I can see everybody clearly. Okay? Everybody sitting here, about 20 people. And how about space in between everybody? Can you get awareness? Okay? There is room. In between everybody, there is room. You just develop awareness, mindfulness of space by awareness of space of your body first. Space of your body and space of everyone in between is the same space. Okay? That's right. And now, if I get more awareness of space, not only in front of me, awareness of space around in this room, Even I see everybody here, I got awareness of space, my vision more expand. I can see not only people here, I can see Buddha statue because I got awareness of space. In space, it got conscious mind wake up. Then you need concentration with mindfulness, awareness of the present moment. The present moment, not only you, he or she, not only four elements, the present moment got space. People only too much concentration on him, on her, then lose awareness of space. Okay? So that's why concentration with mindfulness and awareness, not only he or she, it got everyone in space. When you awareness of space, you can see cushion, you can see things, you can see environment, you can see atmosphere, you can see Buddha statue on the left, you can see whatever in this room all around with space. Space will get more consciousness, wake up in space, and we see everything in space by consciousness mind. That's right. So that's why calmness meditation, just relax, then you go to space. But sometimes you go to space, you fall asleep. Then you need to develop mindfulness of body, mindfulness of breathing, awareness of body sitting, breathing in, breathing out, because breathing in, breathing out, everything functioning in space. So then when you go to space, you need to develop mindfulness, awareness of body and breathing. Then you got consciousness, wake up in space. Okay? So if you just go to space, relax, and just relax, and not mindfulness of breathing, not mindfulness of sitting, movement, bodily action, you just get into space. Then you get calmness with no knowledge, no wisdom. If you get into space and then you relax and more spacious, and then more space, more mindfulness of body and breathing. Always anchor your mind with breathing. Even you go to space, you anchor your mind with breathing. Breathing in, knowing clearly. Breathing out, knowing clearly, mindfully, consciously. Then in space, you got mindfulness of breathing, you got wake up in space. Wake up, seeing all mental phenomena arising, disappearing in space. That means from the first pillar, mindfulness of breathing, in calmness or in space, you can see sensation, thought, and all mental phenomena seen by consciousness. Wake up in space. Wake up by conscious on your breathing, conscious on your bodily movement, then more conscious on body and breathing. You get wake up, conscious mind, wake up in space. Then you can see things within. Thing within is all thought or any kind of mental phenomena. You can see clearly. It's not you, not yours. It's only phenomena changing, impermanent, arising, disappearing, and non-self. Now you got attachment because you just see object of meditation, but no awareness of space. Okay? Can you see everyone here and everyone occupied in space or not? Awareness of space together. If you're not awareness of space, that means you got desire, attachment to what you are looking, to what you are seeing, or you do concentration and your desire, your expectation, your mind attached to the object. But all the object, not you, not your. It's only phenomena arising, disappearing, impermanent, changing, and it's got movement, and it got all functioning in space. Can you get awareness of space together? Space around you and space around me in the same space. When I got awareness of space, seeing you, awareness of space from me first. Space from myself is relaxed. More relaxed, I got awareness of space. Okay? When I got awareness of space of myself, then space of myself and space of everyone here is the same space. Okay? So then I got more awareness of space, not only in front of me and me, I awareness of space. All space in this room is the same space. Okay? Then I don't have to look at the Buddha statue, but I got awareness of space. I look in front, I can see clearly in front. I awareness of space myself, I can see myself. I awareness of space all around this room. I can see Buddha statue in space. I see Buddha statue not by eye. I see Buddha statue by consciousness from subconscious mind. It wake up. When it got space, consciousness mind wake up from subconsciousness. Okay? So, if you got consciousness mind wake up more and more, you got conscious seeing yourself, conscious seeing your movement, conscious seeing your walking, conscious seeing your eating, conscious seeing your drinking. But how to get conscious mind wake up? Relax and get more space. If no space, that means you go to thought. Okay? Understand? Relax and get more space. More relax your body, more relax your heart, you get more space. More space, you can get more conscious seeing or sensing bodily movement, bodily action. More space, more consciousness of your own breathing in, breathing out. More consciousness, knowing yourself, how you're doing, how you're sitting, and more consciousness, you can sensing everybody, how everybody listen to my talk and get understanding my talk or not understanding. I got consciousness. Okay? I know from consciousness mind. Okay? I don't have to forget you because I got my conscious mind, the pure mind wake up. When I talk, people don't understanding, I got consciousness. You're not understanding, then I get more explanation. Okay? I got conscious mind. We call intuition. Okay? Intuitive awareness, intuition. Now we learn to develop intuition. Intuition is like the wisdom, knowing when desire arising, you got intuition, knowing now desire arising. Then with intuition, more desire become less and less and go away. Okay? You talk to people, you got intuition. They feel good, they feel bad to you, you got intuition. Now today we develop intuition. Actually, it is consciousness mind. Wake up, okay, from subconscious mind. When consciousness mind wake up, then you know how things going, how people think about you, how people feeling about you with conscious mind. Okay? Conscious mind very clever. Wake up, maybe only wake up 1 second, but know everything about people feeling good, feeling bad with you. Okay? And knowing how to talk to people. Okay? This is instinct. Instinct is the wisdom is wisdom eye. It can see everything. Okay, but before you practice wisdom eye, see everything. See yourself first. Okay, see yourself. How you doing? How you sitting? How you breathing? See yourself every moment. So relax. More relax, you got more space. More space, you got more consciousness. Wake up. Consciousness, knowing you are breathing in nice, gentle, rough, soft. We know by consciousness mind. But you only do concentration, you just learn by thought. Thinking about long breathing in and make it long, breathing soft, breathing short. You learn by monkey mind. Okay? So monkey mind go away if you got space element. You go to the plane of space. Monkey mind go away. That is calmness. Okay? And wake up in calmness. That means in space. Anchor your mind with breathing. And anchor your mind with breathing. Or notice and aware of your breathing. In the beginning, we put concentration on breathing. But next step, we notice and aware from the inner. Okay? We notice and aware from consciousness mind. In the beginning, you do concentration from monkey mind. Then you try to focus with thought. Then I just correct your practice. Just focus your breath, but notice how your breath, how you're breathing together. When you notice it, wake up. Okay? So watch your breathing and notice and observe how breathing is long. First, you watch your breathing. When you close your eyes, you watch. Sometimes you watch from thought. But when you watch from thought and then watch and notice, then your mind go more inner, and then you notice from the clear mind, not from thought anymore. Everybody use thought in the beginning, okay? But after you notice and aware and observe. Now you watch. First you watch me from thought. You thinking what I'm talking. But when you watch and you notice together, notice and observe the way I give talk to you. Notice and observe the way I explain to you. Or not only focus on my talk. Then you got focus on my talk. You might go out to me. But when your mind focus my talk, you observe not my talk, observe how you understanding. When you observe how you doing, how you feeling, how you understanding, your mind come back. Okay? So that's why people do concentration only wrong concentration. Okay? Concentration only it make you desire. Concentration on money, you got desire. Concentration on whatever object outside, you got more desire. Okay? More attachment. But we develop mindfulness concentration. Just mindfulness concentration. When you focus something, observe. Then now, can you focus the Buddha statue and observe and notice how ear of the Buddha look like, how hair of the Buddha look like, how nose of the Buddha look like. When you observe and notice, it got consciousness or intuition wake up. Okay? If you not observe, you not notice, then you got thought. Okay? Understand now? So intuition, the way to wake up intuition is mindfulness, observe and notice. Awareness Awareness means knowing clearly. Observe and notice with knowing clearly. Knowing clearly is from your conscious mind. Okay? Awareness and notice knowing clearly. Now you got concentration. Look at the Buddha statue. You got mindfulness, observe and notice. You got awareness, knowing clearly. Okay? And now instead on the concentration on the Buddha statue, concentration on this body. What this body now doing? Observe. Then you can observe this body now sitting. Notice. Then you can notice this body now sitting and breathing. And more notice. Then you can notice now breathing in nicely, gently. Breathing out nicely, gently. More notice, you got more knowing clearly the quality of breathing. That's right? Okay. So we start with concentration, but we just put mindfulness together. Observe and notice. And more notice, more observe. Then what happening? Observe and notice more, you got clear knowing. Observe and notice more, you got knowing clearly now. Breathing in long or breathing in short. Breathing out long or even it becomes short. Doesn't matter. We just aware. Okay? Just knowing clearly. And now, what difference? Observe and notice. Your eye with me. Just rest your arm. And observe hand movement. Can you observe hand movement? Now do it now. You need eye or not when you observe hand movement? No, you don't need eye. You need to focus on hand movement or not? No, you focus me. But you observe hand movement. Focus me is by eye. Observe hand movement is by mindfulness. That's right. So, focus your job, focus whatever you're doing is by your eye, but right concentration in the concentration meditation, we focus by mindfulness. Observe. Notice. Your eye, look at me. Can you focus your hand movement by mindfulness? Observe. Observe. Because when you focus by mindfulness, observe, observe. You can observe every moment. You can see every moment. But if you focus by your eye, you cannot see every moment. You only see hand movement. Okay? You focus by your eye, you see hand movement by your eye. You cannot see every moment. But if you focus by mindfulness, observe. Can you observe? It got slow motion. Can you observe? It got slow motion every moment. Sometimes fast, sometimes slowly, sometimes fast, sometimes slowly. Also, can you observe yourself? Sometimes you dress very fast. Sometimes you dress slowly. Sometimes you eat very fast. Sometimes you eat slowly. Can you observe yourself? This is right concentration. We call mindfulness concentration. Concentration from mindfulness, not from your brain, your eye, your thought. Okay? Your eye with me. Can you observe hand movement again? When you observe, do it now. Do it now. What happening? What is the result? When you observe hand movement, you see hand movement even fast, even slowly, even fast, even slowly. That's right. What you got? You got calmness. Okay? But when you observe hand movement fast or slowly, slowly, and notice, you can notice the stop in between movement. When you notice the stop, your mind stop thinking completely. You observe hand movement, you still got thought. You got calmness, but a bit thought. But When you observe, then notice the stop. Please stop. When you notice stop, your mind stop thinking completely. Okay? Understand now? So instead of hand movement, can you observe your breathing in and notice the stop inside? Before it breathing out, it got stop inside. Can you notice? Observe, you got mindfulness and calmness. Notice, stop together, you got very good mindfulness, great mindfulness, and emptiness of thought. Okay? So we develop right concentration, turn inwards, not use your eye. Don't focus by your eye. That's why when you close your eye, I tell you look up. Otherwise, you look at by your eye, you got thought. But when you look up, you observe and notice by mindfulness inside. Okay? Look up, then mindfulness and awareness, it works by itself. Again, now, even you open eye, look at me, but observe how you doing, how you sitting, how you breathing, how you feeling. Can you observe? Observe how you doing, you are sitting, but even you sitting, can you notice more what happening when you sitting? You got warm, you got cool, you got sweat. Can you notice? So more notice, you know more detail of what you notice. More detail of your body is 4 elements. Okay? More you notice 4 elements, you get into deep calmness. Okay? If you only observe sitting and not notice, only breathing in, breathing out, you got beginning calmness. Okay? But when you notice how sitting, how sitting, warm, cool, relax, and consciousness and more space. Can you observe more space? You get into deep calmness, absorption. Okay? So observe and notice. Then it go to the access. Notice it go to the access. Access, that means now observe your hand movement again. But notice pause or stop. More notice stop. Your mind stop thinking. And your mind stop thinking, then it more space wake up. That is unlock the door. Okay? Understand? So that's why the Buddha said, stop you know, but now stop you don't know. You walk, stop, now walk by hand. Observe. You observe the way you walk. You get calmness, but you cannot get into space and consciousness. But when you walk, you observe, now walk. Can you notice the touching? Touching is stop. More you notice the touching, no thought, then relax together. When no thought, relax, then it becomes space and consciousness. Okay? And how about, can you notice when you observe your breathing in long, can you notice at the stop inside? Stop. And it's not only long breathing and only one stop. Sometimes you just breathe right now. Can you notice again? Observe and notice stop. Observe and notice stop. Do it again. Observe hand movement and notice the stop. Observe and notice stop. And then more notice, you notice more stop. stop, 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 stop. Then it becomes more space, space. When you stop thinking, it becomes space, 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 spacious, spacious. Then you go to another plane inside, space and conscious element. That's right. So your breathing, first you only use your mind to force your breathing. Then maybe it got only one stop. But if you not force your breathing, it got more stop. That's right. It got more stop. People don't know, they try to force the breathing in long. Okay, it's good. In the beginning, it got one stop. But if you not force your breathing, just breathe mindfully and consciously. It's slow motion. It got more stop, more stop. That's right. Then more stop, you know, more stop, you know, more stop, you know. It wake up space and conscious mind. You go to space element and conscious element automatically. You understand now? Okay, so now I just would like you to start with observe and notice mindfully. Feeling and relax consciously. Because you know, after this session, 1 hour you need to do walking meditation by yourself. So when you do walking meditation, usually when you walk, you walk, you don't know stop, you don't know stop, you only walk, 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 walk. Can you observe walk got movement, movement of walking? Can you observe? And can you notice touching? Touching is stop. Then when you do walking meditation, there are 3 together. Concentration, look the way. Mindfulness and awareness. Mindfulness, observe and notice. Awareness, awareness of space. Because everything functioning in space. When you walk, if you got awareness of space, because you're walking in space, okay? When you got awareness of space, by relaxing the whole body, when you got awareness of space, conscious mind growing more, okay? You understand? So that's why awareness, you got more consciousness, okay? And awareness of what? Awareness, you want to get awareness of breathing, awareness of space together. When you get awareness of space together, you got awareness of both breathing and this person sitting and breathing. Okay? Now I talk to you, I got awareness of space. Then when I talk to you, I can realize someone understanding me, someone not understanding me, because when I awareness of space together, my space, it will make your mind, my mind connect together. Okay? We are connected in space. Okay? If now I'm in Australia, okay? It's very far from Thailand, but I just don't worry. I just awareness of space. Then I can realize something happening in Thailand. Okay? So that's why in space, then you got clear mind, wake up. Clear mind, wake up. Knowing yourself, knowing functioning of 4 elements, knowing vital sign, knowing everything, knowing people, feeling, knowing whatever happening. Clear mind, knowing the way it is. Okay? And not expect. This is we call vipassana. It's knowing, thing arising, disappearing, knowing and not attached. Then it becomes equality of mind. Just knowing and let go. I just let go. I don't worry. You not understand, not worry. I just explain to you more, but not worry. Okay, I just knowing. More letting go, I can rely more. More you get clear understanding or not, then I know how to explain to you. Okay. So now we develop intuition. Intuition is all the consciousness mind. So then you need 3. There are 5 power. Trust in the Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. Because you practice Buddhist meditation, Buddhist meditation, that is, the Buddha is your master. Then you need to trust your master first. Okay? When you have trust, then you got right effort. Your master will take you on the way. Okay? If you trust in Jesus, Jesus will take you on the way to Jesus. Okay? You trust in the Buddha will take you on the way. Okay? You trust my talk, then I can take you on the way. Okay? Trust and then right effort. Right effort, that means let go and make your mind feel good, relax, enjoy. This is right effort. Right effort, not serious meditation. This is not effort. This is patient. Okay? But right effort point into your heart. Okay? Let go. Not expect anything. I give you talk more and more from the beginning to jhana and jhana to vipassana. But when you practice yourself, not expect. Do what you can do. Because I give you everything, but you cannot learn everything in one time. Okay? Not expect anything. Okay? And then when you have right effort, now you got power of concentration. Look at me. But you forget power of mindfulness. Observe yourself. Okay? The first power is trust. The second power is right effort. The third power is concentration. The fourth power is mindfulness. Because mindfulness will develop wisdom. The fifth power is wisdom. Concentration develop calmness. Okay? Mindfulness develop wisdom. So if you only focus your breathing, not observe, not notice, you got stillness of mind. But if you want to develop wisdom or knowledge, when you focus your breathing, observe your breathing, observe how you breathing, observe more how you feeling, observe more how good calmness, how good mindfulness, observe more how good understanding, how good consciousness. Observe more to the mental quality. First you focus your breathing, then observe more on how you breathing. Observe more how your sensation is. Observe more how your thought coming up and disappear. Observe more how your mental phenomena, good or not good, and observe more and more observe, you can develop good quality of your mind. Okay? So then if you not observe, you only do concentration and still your mind. Okay? No wisdom. You understand that? Okay. Now, open eye first 2 minutes. And then when you look at me, you not observe, not notice, you got thought. But when you observe and notice my thought, you got mindfulness. Mindfulness, it look like your mind come from thought backwards. Okay, observe. And why I tell you it come backward? Because you can feel like you see yourself together from behind. Okay? It look like your mind, when observe more, you can observe even your back. Can you observe your back swaying? Can you observe? Can you observe swaying of your body? It look like when you observe, you got seeing from behind. Okay? That's right. Before you only do concentration on your breath, you sing your breath. You sing your breath, that is calmness is concentration, meditation. But vipassana, you must seeing this person, how doing, how feeling, how breathing, seeing all together, how doing, how feeling, that is sensation, how doing, that is body, how feeling, that is sensation. When you see how feeling, you see sensation, you got vipassana. Okay, so you need to look at me and observe yourself. But when you look at your breathing, you don't need eye. When you not need eye, that's why I tell you, look up. Your eye look up, then you can observe and notice mindfully. Then you get direct to your mind, the access inside. Okay? Now, even you open your eye with me, but your mindfulness, not your eye, your mindfulness can observe how you doing, how you feeling, how you breathing mindfully. It's from behind. We call stream entry. Lay people always follow the stream, but today we practice go on the path to enlightenment. The first enlightenment we call stream entry. Stream entry, that means your mind not follow the stream. Whatever happening, your mind always observe yourself. How doing, how feeling, how breathing, can you? And awareness. When you observe yourself, look at me, observe yourself, can you develop awareness of space? You look at me, I look at you, I have awareness of space together. And when awareness of space, outside space, inside is the same space. Then I got awareness of space. How awareness of space? Relax the whole body, then you got more awareness of space. More awareness of space, you got consciousness, wake up from subconsciousness. Okay? So, how awareness of space? Just relax. Observe and feeling relaxed. Feeling relax your body, feeling relax your mind, feeling relax your breathing, it comes by itself. Space and consciousness, it comes by itself. By feeling relax the whole body, and feeling relaxed. But when you open your eye with me, but you can observe your breathing. That means we develop mindfulness of breathing. In the doctrine, the Buddha teaching, the Buddha used the word mindfulness of breathing. Anapanasati translated into English, mindfulness of breathing. Seeing breathing with mindfulness. But people do concentration on breathing. This is not anapanasati, concentration on breathing. Anapanasati, we not focus the breathing by concentration, by eye, by thought. But we focus our breathing mindfully, observe and notice, because notice will help you being able to notice every moment of breathing. Okay? Every moment of breathing is long. Now, when you observe it, notice, it look like you observe and notice, it got seeing. Seeing this person sitting together. And feeling relaxed, you get more space. Then you can see more clearly this person functioning with 4 elements, with breathing element, with temperature. You can see not you breathing, but 4 element breathing. You got stuck because you practice meditation, but actually not you. It's 4 element breathing in, 4 element breathing out. Then you got knowledge. You got stuck because you do meditation, but actually we not do meditation. 4 element do meditation. Okay? When you got 4 element doing meditation, you can learn what 4 element functioning. It got arising, disappearing. And one more important thing, listen to me again. When you do meditation awareness of space, you breathing in, not into your body, in your lung, you breathing in into space. You got stuck because you thought you're breathing into your lung, your abdomen, you got stuck. Breathing not long and not deep. But if you just everything emptiness, no chest, no lung, everything is only space. Breathing into space. How breathing into space? Relax the whole body, relax your mind. More relax, you get more space. Then you got clear knowing, breathing in space. All emptiness, what not emptiness is breathing clearly, knowing, breathing clearly in space. Don't worry about the chest, the muscle, then you cannot go deep into meditation. But if you just breathing and awareness of space, it becomes big space. You got breathing into space, into your spirit, into your conscious mind. Only 10 seconds you go into your conscious mind, wake up. So this session, breathing in into space. How? Relax and open your eye widely. More widely your eye open. More consciousness, more space. Breathing out in space. And then you can observe what different. First, you breathing into your chest, then you try to think how breathing going long now. It's going to chest, it's going down to the navel, it's going down to the abdomen. Now you got thought. Okay. Breathing into space, no thought. And awareness of space around you because you open eye. Space outside will develop more space inside. And now, when you got space outside, inside, conscious and mind, just mindfulness and awareness of breathing together. Mindfulness of breathing consciously, more consciousness on your breathing in space and close your eye. And in space, observe and notice breathing and all mental phenomena or sensation together. Observe and notice all mental phenomena. It arising and disappearing. Thought arising and disappearing. Desire arising and disappearing. And more observe and notice desire more disappearing, more disappearing. Calmness become more and more. Especially if you got awareness of space, it become more absorption into calmness. Observe and notice how you breathing, how you feeling, how you got knowing this body into 4 elements. Then you got breathing into 4 elements, your 4 elements working properly. You got healthiness. You got illness because you got disrupted 4 elements. But now you breathing into 4 elements, your 4 elements working properly, and you got good health. All sickness gone. Breathing into space, then it go to 4 elements, and 4 elements not disrupted. 4 elements become more functioning properly. And breathing into space, it connect to your spirit. Breathing into space, you can feel your spirit so happy, joy and happiness. Just now, all emptiness, What not emptiness is your breathing. Breathing into space or emptiness. What not emptiness is your breathing and conscious mind. Or knowing breathing consciously, mindfully, and consciously. More relaxed, more space, more conscious mind wake up. And look up. When you look up, conscious mind easily wake up. When conscious mind wake up more, thought disappear. Look up. Awareness up. Consciousness become more and more. And awareness, notice and aware and notice how you breathing, how you feeling, how spacious. Awareness and notice mindfully. Look up, otherwise you focus by your eye, you have wrong concentration. You focus from the mind. The mind is not on your eye, the mind is inside. Okay? Then you have to look up. Then your mind wake up. Then your mind got knowing, it got knowing and seeing and knowing from behind. Breathing mindfully. That means you got observe and notice. Breathing mindfully and consciously. That means you got observe and notice and aware of space. More awareness of space, more consciousness on your breathing clearly. Breathing mindfully and consciously. Mindfully observe, notice. Awareness together you get consciousness. Consciousness more you get knowing clearly. Knowing clearly all emptiness, what not empty is only the present moment you are breathing in and you are breathing out. And consciously knowing clearly the quality of breathing, soft, subtle or soft or gentle. Now just knowing clearly breathing soft, gentle or subtle, knowing clearly, more consciousness mind, knowing from your heart, more opening up and wake up and relax together, not expect anything. Knowing mindfully and consciously, then you can rely every moment of breathing, sometimes softly, gently, or subtly, or sometimes even cross. Then you got knowledge, okay? You got knowledge, think impermanent. Don't try to make it long and deep. Sometimes long, deep, but sometimes shorter. Doesn't matter, okay? Just aware. Just learn how you breathe. Just learn mindfully and consciously. And before we finish, every time review, not hurry to come out. We review how calmness, how beautiful calmness. Because when you practice until the last minute before you come out from meditation, the last minute is very wonderful calmness. If you hurry to come out, you miss a good opportunity. Okay? If you review the last minute before you come out, how beautiful calmness, then it will connect to the next session. If you not review, then the next session you have to start from 1, 2, 3 again. If you review, then you got more absorption, more understanding. The next session you don't have to start from 1, 2, 3. You start from 10, 11. Okay? Review 2-3 minutes before you finish this session. Review. Not hurry to open eye. Review. How calmness. How mindfulness. How knowing clearly. Seeing clearly. How good understanding. How spatial. How absorption. Review your practice. And you can rely. Now when you review, sometimes your mouth, the corner of mouth drop, your mouth open. Just keep your mouth tucked in. Then it makes you more confident. Tuck in and the corner of mouth not drop, go up. Then you get more awareness, wake up. And look up. When you look up, you get more calmness. Look up, awareness up, and the corner of mouth not drop. Level or go up with your mouth closed. If your mouth open, then you fall asleep. If the corner of mouth drop, then you already fall asleep. When your mouth closed, your back will go up. When your eye look up, your face go up. Everything go up. Then you got consciousness go up. If your face go down, your body go down, consciousness fall asleep. Face up, look up, sit up, upright, up, and review what happening. You get more consciousness and spend more coming up, that's right. Now you get into quietness, in seclusion, with clear knowing, clear seeing. When you got clear knowing, clear seeing, you practice this session by review 2-3 minutes before you come out from meditation. So when you review, even you open eye, you still get there in calmness. Okay? Now slowly open eye, you still get there in calmness. Because more review, more absorption. Okay? So more review the whole day, you still get there in calmness. Okay? Then you got quietness inside, peacefulness inside. More review, you got more peace inside. Okay? People don't know. They go to calmness and then hurry to come out. Then calmness gone away. No peace inside. When you review now today, the whole day you got peace. Review how you feel, how calmness is. More review, you get more absorption. You go to the next step, the higher level. Don't have to do any concentration. Just review and absorption. Okay? Now you only do concentration. It's like the primary school. Okay? Now you go to university level. Don't have to practice. just stay there at home in your calmness. Okay? More review, you can know the way back home and how to stay at home, how to stay calm, how to stay conscious. But now you have to practice calmness, consciousness. But when you review more, you don't have to practice. You know where is your home. Just relax, more space, and just mindfulness of body movement, body action. Then you get there at home. Then instead of try to be calm, then just stay calm. More try to be conscious, just stay conscious. Try to be mindful, just stay mindful. Okay? And now we have break for your own practice 1 hour. So just more space, more space. When you do walking meditation, awareness of space, because in this surrounding nice nature, can you get awareness of nice nature, surrounding atmosphere, that is space. More space, more consciousness wake up. So now we do walking meditation to wake up conscious mind by your eye open, your heart open. When you do walking meditation, you open eye, just not lost, not blur, just seeing thing and space or the nature. Can you? Then conscious mind wake up beautifully. Okay, have a break for 1 hour. Practice by yourself. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.